Hello all, I'm Lynn. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to help you improve your English conversation ability by changing you from a shy, timid student into a confident, talkative student. This is a very important video, so keep watching. A lot of my students are very shy. In fact, some of them are so shy that they're afraid to try their English at all. Some of them are even afraid of foreigners. Now, I know speaking in English can seem very scary, and you might be too shy to try. But let me tell you, if you never practice speaking in English, you'll never improve your English. English is a skill, which means you need lots of practice and lots of practice speaking in order to get better. Now, if you are one of those very shy students, that's okay. I have some tips for you to help get you speaking in English. The first tip I'm going to tell you is speak to yourself. Maybe the thought of speaking to someone else in English is so scary that you just can't do it. Well, just start talking to yourself then, in the mirror or out loud at home. That is going to help you practice speaking. Another tip is read out loud. This one is actually very simple. Take any English text that you want, a book or anything, and read it out loud to yourself. This will help you feel more confident about speaking English. Another tip that works well is talking to younger people. Younger people, you can have a conversation with them a little bit easier. And so speaking to younger people in English is also going to help boost your confidence. Another tip that I tell my students is try to improve your listening first. Sometimes students are shy to speak English because they don't quite understand what they're hearing. So if you improve your listening a little bit first, this will encourage you to speak more in English. Another tip is start chatting first. If you start the conversation with someone else first, then you can decide a topic that's comfortable for you to talk about in English. And don't be afraid of making mistakes, just go for it. The last tip I'm going to tell you is push yourself. Speaking English can feel uncomfortable and you might feel shy, but if you don't push yourself, you'll never improve. So I encourage you to speak up and try. English is not easy, but you can improve with just a little bit of effort. Don't be afraid to speak up in English and don't be afraid of foreigners. I know you guys can do it. Try hard. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know in the comments how you overcome shyness. And don't forget to keep supporting my channel. See you!